What if your employer bullies you and you quit because of that? You get unemployment and then you later get EDD because of unemployment. And now you have PTSD. A couple things here. If your employer is bullying you at work, that is a cause for a workers' compensation claim. Depending on the reason for their bullying, it could also be a cause for an employment case. If it's because of a disability or your gender or your race, these could be discrimination claims. So you might have a work comp claim and an employment claim. On the work comp side, it would be a work comp psychological claim. To have a valid psychological claim for workers' compensation based on bullying, you need to have worked there for at least 6 months. If less than 6 months, you cannot file a work comp psychological claim based on some type of bullying or harassment. Secondly, if you have psychological PTSD, is it because of the bullying that happened at work, or is it because you left work or maybe you were terminated from work? In this case, it sounds like you left work, but what if you were terminated? If at least 51% of the psychological effects are because you were bullied at work, you would have a valid workers' compensation claim. This is usually determined by a neutral state doctor called a QME or qualified medical examiner. So there's lots of little thorny and complex issues, but to summarize, to have a psychological claim for workplace harassment, you need to have been working there for at least 6 months, and the doctor needs to find that at least 51% of your psychological symptoms are due to the harassment that happened at work. Aside from that, you may still have an employment case depending on the reason for the harassment. Like and follow for more California work comp tips.